The future of DeepSeek is nothing short of exhilarating. Imagine a world where data retrieval is instantaneous, where we can dive deep into vast oceans of information with just a thought. As AI continues to evolve, DeepSeek will harness advanced algorithms to not only find what we're looking for, but also predict what we need before we even ask. Picture personalized insights tailored to our unique preferences, transforming how we interact with information. With the integration of augmented reality, DeepSeek could overlay relevant data onto our physical surroundings, making learning and exploration more immersive than ever. And let's not forget about security. Future iterations will prioritize privacy, ensuring our data is protected while still delivering unparalleled access. As we venture into this new era, DeepSeek will redefine our relationship with knowledge, making it more intuitive, interactive, and, ultimately, more human. The possibilities are endless, and the journey has only just begun.